Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech Pro. Today we are diving into an amazing tool, TenorShare AI Bypass. Imagine transforming AI generated content into text that reads just like human writing and passes. Even the strictest AI detectors like Turnitin and GPT-0. Whether you are a student, content creator, or professional, this tool is designed to help you create 100% plagiarism free content that's undetectable by AI. So let's explore how TenorShare AI Bypass can take your content to the next level. The link to this platform is available in the video description. TenorShare AI Bypass lets you instantly transform AI generated content into human like text with just one click. This free global undetectable AI solution supports 50 plus languages. The tool rewrites any text, ensuring it remains undetectable and sound natural no matter the language. Now let's explore how you can actually bypass AI detection and humanize your content. Click on the bypass AI detector icon and create your account here. You can log in using your TenorShare account or your Gmail account. After login, you will see interface like this. Here we have two options, AI bypass and AI detector. The AI bypass option is where you can transform your AI generated content into human like text, while the AI detector allows you to check whether your content might be flagged by AI detection tools. So first of all, I am going to generate paragraph using ChatGPT. Once I have the AI generated content, I will run it through the AI detector. I am going to test the AI generated content using originality.ai. Let's see if it flags the text as AI generated. After testing the content, we can see that it's flagged as 100% AI generated. This shows that the text is clearly detected as coming from an AI source. Now let's use the TenorShare AI Bypass tool to humanize this content and see how it performs after transformation. Copy your paragraph and paste it here in the AI Bypass section to humanize it. Here we have three options: fast, balanced and ultra enhanced. Fast is quick, balanced offers a good mix, and ultra enhanced provides the highest level of humanization. Choose the model you want, then click on the Humanize button. As you can see, it has successfully created humanized content. The text now sounds much more natural. And down below here you can see some AI detectors like GPT-0, Winston AI, CopyLeaks, ZeroGPT and Turnitin. All of these AI detectors also shows the text is human written. Now let's test the humanized content again using the AI detector to see the results. Paste your content here and click on the scan button. And wait a minute here. And here you can see the result. 100% humanized content no longer flagged as AI generated. As you can see, this platform is truly impressive. It effortlessly transforms AI generated text into natural human-like content, making it undetectable by even the most advanced AI detector. Now let's test this content with another strict AI detector, GPT-0. Paste your text here and click on scan icon. And here you can see the results. 98% humanized and 2% AI generated. So whether you are a student, writer or content creator, this tool simplifies the process and ensure your work remains authentic and original. TenorShare AI also includes its own AI detector, allowing user to verify whether any content is AI generated or human written. TenorShare AI Bypass is an exceptional tool that allows you to easily turn your AI-generated text into natural, human-like writing. With its fast, user-friendly interface and powerful abilities to bypass AI detection tools, it's ideal for students, writers, marketers, bloggers, and content creators. Whether you're working on essay or blog post, this tool helps ensure your content is authentic and paces undetected. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more tech content. The link of this platform is available in the video description, so must check it out. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.